Good morning, student. Uh, Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1. First of all, discuss example number 4. If P is equal to set of 1 comma 2 from the set P Cartesian product P Cartesian product P. So now in last time we have discussed this type of question, but only two Cartesian product means two set is present. Suppose P and Q form is present and find out the Cartesian product of P, Cartesian product Q. But in this question, three term is present, means Cartesian product of P, Cartesian product of P, and again Cartesian product of P. So how can we solve this question? So first of all, P Cartesian product of P. Find out P Cartesian product P. So is equal to 1 set of 1 comma 2 Cartesian product of set of 1 comma 2. Now simplify this term. So here we get 4 order pair. So written here 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 comma 2. Now after find out P Cartesian product P Cartesian product P. So here we can written P Cartesian product P in place of here written 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. Cartesian product of another P means last P in place of written here set of 1 comma 2. Now after product of Cartesian product of these two sets, so how can be product of this set? So 1 comma 1 comma 1 means all these 4 order pair product with 1, and after all these 4 order pair product with 2. So is equal to our final answer written like this 1 comma 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 comma 1 2 comma 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now same way again this 4 order pair product of 2. So here we can written 1 comma 1 comma 2. Now 1 comma 2 comma 2 2 comma 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 comma 2 set over. So now here set P is present and find out P Cartesian product P Cartesian product P. So first find out P Cartesian product P and after find out P Cartesian product P Cartesian product P. So simplify this term, so we get this answer. Clear? Next question. In exercise 2.1, question number 5. Exercise 2.1, question number 5. Same type of question is asked here. If A is equal to set of minus 1 comma 1, then find A Cartesian product A Cartesian product A. So again here same method, same process apply. First of all find out A Cartesian product A, and after we get result again we can apply the Cartesian product of last A. So we get final answer. So first of all find out A Cartesian product of A. So A Cartesian product A, that means here A in place of written minus 1 comma 1 Cartesian product. Another A in place of written minus 1 comma 1. Now after product of these terms, so set of minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 1. Now 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1. So here we get 4 order pair. Now after find out A Cartesian product A. So now in first two terms, two order means first two terms. Suppose you can also apply in last two pair also. Okay, that means first we can return A and last two A Cartesian product A, in place of we can return this order pair also. So in both this way here working, so we get same answer. Now in first two term, this Cartesian product A in place of substitute this value. So here written minus 1 comma minus way minus 1 comma 1 1 comma minus 1 1 comma 1 set over Cartesian product in last A in place of set of minus 1 comma 1. Now after apply the Cartesian product, so is equal to set of minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Same way in all these four order pair multiply with 1. So here written minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 and 1 comma 1 comma 1 set over. So here we get answer. Now next question, example number 6. If A Cartesian product B, that means set of your order pair is present P comma Q, P comma R, M comma Q and M comma R set over. Our question is find out A and B. Find A and B. Okay. So in above method, set A and set B is present and our question is find out the Cartesian product of A, Cartesian product B. Now in this question here reverse process apply. Here A Cartesian product B and order pair is present. Now our question is find out which element of set A and which element of set B. So here first position is A and second position is B. So first element is obviously in set of, this element is present in set of A. So here we can return A is equal to the set of first element is equal to set of, here first element that means P and M. So here we can return P set of P comma set of M. Now in position of second, here B is present set B. So second element is present in set B. So B is equal to return here the set of second element. So is equal to set of here Q and R. Q and R is present. So our element of set B is equal to set of Q comma R. Next question, similar type of question is asked exercise 2.1, question number 6. Exercise 2.1, question number 6. If A Cartesian product of B is equal to set of A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X and B comma Y. Now our question is find out A and B. So again here apply similar method. Here Cartesian product of A, Cartesian product B, that means order pair is given. Our question is find out the element of A and find out the element of set B. Now again here first position is present in set A and second position is present in the element of set B. So here we can written A is equal to the set of first element is equal to set of, here first element A and B is present, here A is repeat, B is also repeat in 2 times, but in here we can written in set form, so we can written here only 1 times. So A comma set of B. Now in set of B is equal to the set of second element is equal to set of X comma Y. So final answer A, set A is equal to, here we get 2 element A and B, and set B is equal to also here 2 element X and Y. Next question, exercise 2.1, question number 3. If G is equal to set of 7 comma 8 and H is equal to set of 5 comma 4 comma 2. Our question is find out G Cartesian product H and H Cartesian product G. So first of all find out G Cartesian product H. So here we can written G Cartesian product H is equal to, first position is present in set G, so here written the element of set G, so it's 7 comma 8, Cartesian product 5 comma 4 comma 2 set over. Now after here apply the this Cartesian product, so we can written here in order pair, so 7 comma 5, 7 comma 4, 7 comma 2, same way here 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4 and 8 comma 2. So here we get 6 order pair. Here 2 element is present, here 3 element is present, so here we get 6 order pair. Now after find out H Cartesian product of G. So H in place of, here we can return set element of set H, that means 5 comma 4 comma 2 Cartesian product. G in place of return 7 comma 8. So is equal to set of 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8, same way here 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8. Now after 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8 answer. Clear? Okay.